back to my channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial on this sleek bun. This is what I call taming the beast, okay? Sometimes I need my hair to be away. I need it to be just not in my face, and this is one of my go-tos, this sleek bun. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So I started off here with damp hair. I'm parting it. It actually started to dry. It was more damp, so it started to dry, but that's no problem because we're just gonna fix that later. So here I am parting my hair. I'm doing a side part, basically all the way down. What I'm adding here is actually a mixture of oils. I have castor oil, argan oil, and I think a little bit of olive oil that I keep in a dropper. And I'm just adding that to kind of my scalp, basically. Now that my hair is separated, I'm going in to add some more moisture. In this water bottle, I have water, a leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of my oil mixture. And I'm just spraying that throughout just to get my hair damp again so I can add products. This product, as you guys know, I've used it in plenty of my videos. It's the Ouidad Ultra Nourishing Mask. I used it as a leave-in. And for this style, because my hair is basically going to be away, it's a really great product to add because it's going to keep it hydrated in that bun, and it's kind of going to act as a protective style, you know, me wearing this bun, just keeping my hair away and not disturbing it. And here I am using this gel just to flatten down my hair so that I can brush it for the rest of the bun. And here I am just putting my hair in a ponytail, just so I can get it away and continue to work on the front of it. Here I am just adding some hairspray for the finishing touches. And then I like to take just a little silk scarf and use that to wrap it down, keep it in place a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's very sleek and put away.